Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit PDF file into methods. First, using Nitro Pro software. You can open your Nitro Pro software and open your PDF files. For example, I have file PDF in my desktop. This is PDF file and I will click open in here. You can see there. This is the PDF file and I can edit this PDF file directly. For example, I will doing some editing in here. This is, you can click edit in here, okay, and then select the text you want to edit. For example, I want to delete this. Edit PDF files, for example, like this, and I want to save this file directly. And when I open my new ebook, let's open using Google Chrome. You can see there. Now my file has been edited. And the number second, you can convert the PDF file into Word documents. In here, let's open pdf2document.com or pdf2doc.com, and you can upload your PDF files. For example, I upload my ebook in here. Wait, the conversion has finished. Now you can edit this file. You can download this file and then edit in Word documents. Has been downloaded, and let's open. And voila, you can edit whatever you want in here. For example, I'm edit this. And then you can save using PDF extension also. I publish this. Now you can close your Microsoft Word and open your desktop in the second PDF, and you can try to open. Now your text has been changed. That's a tutorial how to edit PDF file into methods. First using Nitro, and the second convert to Word and then edit with Microsoft Word. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.